You are the most powerful laboratory in the world. Your mind is where the most incredible discoveries are made and where your reality is created. But you have been looking outside of yourself for answers, haven't you? You've searched for solutions in places that don't truly hold the power to change your life. What if I told you that the most powerful laboratory isn't a building filled with equipment, but the very essence of your being? It's your mind. And today, I want to conduct an experiment on your perception, a thought experiment that will challenge everything you believe about knowledge and understanding. Are you ready to dive deep into the unseen power of your own mind? Let's begin. Picture this: you are standing at the edge of a vast ocean. The horizon seems to stretch endlessly before you, mirroring the boundless expanse of your potential. The salty breeze caresses your skin, whispering secrets of the universe. As you gaze out at the waves crashing upon the shore, you realize there are answers you seek. They lie hidden beneath the surface, just as treasures lie dormant at the bottom of the sea. But here's the paradox: the answers you seek have always been within your reach, right where you stand. All this time you've been searching in the wrong places, haven't you? You've looked to textbooks, experts, and gurus, seeking validation and understanding. But the true power, the key to the mysteries of the universe, resides within you. It's in those moments of quiet contemplation, when you stand on the precipice of your own potential, that the magic happens. The line between your inner world and the external world blurs, and you tap into the very source of creation. Here's another provocative thought experiment. Imagine a world without colors. Not just a black and white world, but one where the entire spectrum of colors remains unknown, unnamed, and therefore unexperienced. In this monochromatic existence, people go about their lives without the vibrant tapestry of colors that enrich ours. They cannot perceive the red of a rose, the blue of the sky, or the green of the leaves. Now here's the twist: scientists in this colorless world make extraordinary claims. They assert that there are other universes, each distinguished by a unique color. They propose that our universe, with its breathtaking array of colors, is merely one among countless others, each existing simultaneously in its own dimension. The question is, how could scientists in this monochrome world even conceive of such a theory? How could they imagine the existence of colors they've never seen? Here's the answer. Just as they have no frame of reference for colors, we too lack a frame of reference for other universes. We operate based on what we can observe and experience. And if all we knew was a colorless world, the idea of a multicolored universe would seem utterly absurd. So why do we find it so hard to believe in multiple universes when it's just as conceivable as the idea of a black and white world? Why is the concept of other universes beyond our wildest imagination when all it is another scientific hypothesis? It's because our perception, our understanding, and ultimately our reality are shaped by the boundaries we set. If we can't fathom something, if it lies beyond our current understanding, does it mean it doesn't exist? Or does it mean we simply lack the comprehension to grasp its existence? This is the crux of the matter. There are no limitations in the universe except those we impose on ourselves. The only boundaries to your understanding are the ones you've created in your mind. Think about it. The greatest scientific breakthroughs, the most profound discoveries, they all started with a thought experiment, a mental journey into the uncharted territories of the unknown. Albert Einstein, one of the most renowned physicists of our time, often used thought experiments to explore complex theories. His famous thought experiment involving a beam of light and an elevator provided the foundation for his theory of general relativity. Through these mental exercises, Einstein was able to visualize and ponder scenarios that were impossible or impractical to recreate in reality. He questioned the nature of space, time, gravity, and the cosmos itself, all from the comfort of his mind. So remember, your mind is your most potent tool, your greatest asset. Don't underestimate the power of thought experiments. They can be your passport to understanding the intricate design of the universe and your place within it. In the grand tapestry of existence, you are not merely a spectator, You are an active participant. So keep asking questions. Keep pushing the boundaries of your understanding. Who knows, you might just unlock the secrets of the universe one thought experiment at a time.